mindfully original. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Imagine your phone resting somewhere just out of reach, like a book you've already finished. It's still there, but for now, the story has ended, and a quiet, blank page stretches out before you. Notice the phantom pull in your hand, the tiny itch to check, to scroll, to not miss anything. Let that sensation be a character in your awareness, not a command, simply a visitor, curious but powerless. Picture a long hallway lined with doors, each door a notification, a message, a post. Instead of rushing to open them, walk slowly down the center of the hallway. The doors can wait. You are not employed by their urgency. As you walk, see tiny hooks on each door, reaching out like little hands. These hooks are built from "what if I miss it?" and "what is everyone else doing?" Notice how they tug, then notice that you are not made of Velcro. They slide right off. In this hallway, you carry a small backpack labeled "Today." Inside are only a few things that truly matter to you: a relationship, a project, a value, a simple joy. Feel the lightness of this backpack compared to the weight of all those unopened doors. FOMO whispers that everything behind the doors is urgent and glittering. But you know their secret. Most of them are like plastic jewelry, bright, loud, and forgotten an hour later. Let the imagined sparkle fade into soft, harmless dust. Turn your attention to this exact moment, as if it were a quiet, hidden room at the end of the hallway. No doors, no hooks, no buzzing. Just you, breathing, existing, with nothing to refresh and no feed to keep up with. Notice what it's like when nothing is asking for you. There is a subtle spaciousness here, like an uncluttered desk before the workday. You may feel restlessness or boredom or relief. All are allowed to pass through without needing to be fixed with a screen. Now imagine the phone again, silent. Instead of a magnet, it becomes a simple tool on a workbench, sometimes useful, sometimes set aside. Feel the dignity of choosing when to pick it up, the quiet authority of deciding when you are available. Sense the rhythm of your own inner timeline, different from the frantic heartbeat of updates and stories. Your life does not move in 24-hour cycles that expire. Your life moves in seasons, in years, in moments like this one. When the next wave of "I might miss something" rises, imagine placing it gently on the shelf labeled "future noise." You're not denying it exists. You're just choosing not to let it stand between you and the quiet richness of now. Feel how much you are already not missing, the texture of your breath, the subtle emotional weather inside you, the simple fact that you are here, alive, in this unshared, unposted moment that belongs entirely to you. Let a quiet sentence settle in your mind, like a note pinned to the door of that hallway. If it's truly important, it will find me. Feel how this sentence loosens the grip of urgency, giving you back the steering wheel of your attention. For a few more breaths, rest in the strange, gentle luxury of not knowing what anyone else is doing. In this space, you are no one's content, no one's audience, no one's notification, just a person quietly inhabiting their own life from the inside. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing your meditation session to a close. Before we part, if there's a particular theme you'd like a meditation on, do let us know in the comments below and we'll create it for you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. Thank you for sharing this time with us, and remember, you are capable of anything.